Good morning, everyone. We are starting our ninth chapter, Algorithms and Flowcharts. So, students, before going to learn what is an algorithm, let us discuss some common things. So, in daily life, we used to solve many problems. For example, in maths also we used to solve many problems. So for solving a problem, we are dividing all the activities into step by step. So the breaking of the bigger task into smaller parts help us to do the task or do the problem very easily and successfully. All the activities or tasks that we do are done in sequence or step by step. Before beginning any task, we put our thoughts together in the correct order. That is, we used to think step by step. It is important because it helps us to break an activity into smaller sequence or smaller parts. It will help us to find the solutions of any complex or big problems. At the same way, algorithm is also a problem solving method. An algorithm is a list of instructions or the steps required to solve a problem on a computer. So it is a list of instructions or steps required to solve a particular problem in computer. We think and write the steps required to solve the given problem. An algorithm is written before we writing any programming code. Likewise, we have written HTML code in the last chapter. There are different types of programming languages that you know: HTML, C, C++, Java, etc. So for writing any programs, before we have to write an algorithm for that. It helps you to clearly outline the steps and subsequently the development of a good program. The word algorithm is derived from the name of the Persian mathematician Muhammad bin al-Khwarizmi. He was a Persian scholar who produced works in mathematics, astronomy, and geography. Now let us see the advantages of algorithm. First one, it helps us to think logically. So the algorithm helps us to think logically. Therefore, it helps to identify the best approach or the best way to solve a problem and reach the correct solution. Second one, it uses a different procedure. It uses a different procedure or different steps for solving the problem. Third one, it is not dependent on any programming language. It is not dependent on any programming language like C, C++, Java, etc. So, an algorithm can be used in any programming language. Fourth one, every step in an algorithm has its own logical sequence, so it is easy to debug. So, every step is definite and it will be easy to debug because of this particular feature. Now, let us see the characteristics of algorithm. First one, input. An algorithm may or may not require input, so input is not compulsory for an algorithm. Second one, output. Each algorithm is expected to produce at least one result, so minimum one result will be there in an algorithm. Third one, definiteness. Each instruction must be clear and unambiguous. So each instruction that we are giving should be clear and there should not be any doubts. Last one, finiteness. If the instructions of algorithm are executed, the algorithm should terminate after finite number of steps. The algorithm will be null after the defined number of steps. So thank you dear students. That's all for the class. We will see flowchart in the next class. Thank you once again.